Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. In this lesson I'll be showing you how to draw Grogu. So we start in the top center of our page with the nose. So we're going to start with a curve from left to right. We're going to go up and then down. Now back over on the left side, just going to curl the nostril, coming in, do the same thing on the right, and it'll close off the center with a small curve. Let's move up and draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Now from the side of the nose, let's step out. We're going to add 2 points on the inside corners of the eyes. Now on the left side, let's draw the top of the eye. We're going to go up, round out the eye, and then pull that down towards the outside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up towards the same height, and then bend that down. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the bottom of the eye, curve this down, and then up. Along the top of each eye, we're going to add a small circle for highlight. So I'll start with the top left, and then do the same thing on the top right. Now I'm going to move back to the center. Let's draw in the mouth. Starting from the left, curve this down, and then up. Now on the left side, we're going to add a fold, coming down underneath the eye, and then out on both sides. Just underneath the mouth in the center, let's add a small curve for the lower lip. Now I'm just going to switch to my thick black marker. I want to fill the inside of the eyes. I want to go around those highlights. Now from here, we're going to draw that thick brow along the top of the eyes. Let's start from the inside on the left, curve above the eye, and I'm just going to pull that down towards the side, and then we're just going to mirror that over on the right. Doing the same thing. Now in between the brow, let's add a curve for the top of the head. Let's go back to the side. We're going to draw on the cheeks. We're going to start by bumping this out, curve the cheek, and then pull that up and in. Now in between the cheeks, we're going to step down, add the chin, coming down, then across. Let's add some hairs across the top of the head. On the left, and this up and out. Add one in the center, and bend these out towards the right. Now before we draw in the ears, let's add in that large collar. Starting underneath the left cheek, bend this out, and then in, towards the bottom. And it'll connect the ends with a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Let's go to the center of the collar. We're going to add a fold, going out and then down towards the left. Now with the collar in place, let's add in the ears. We're going to start from the left side of the brow, start by bending this out, and then curve that down towards the tip of the ear. Let's go to the right and do the same thing, coming down and out, and then bend that down. Now I want to add that thick ridge, so we're going to taper this so it gets wider as it comes back in toward the side of the head. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the bottom of the ear, start by going up and in, and then curl it up behind the collar. Now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to leave a gap underneath the collar on the left. Let's bend the body going out and then down. Go to the right side. Do the same thing. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve. Now in the center of the body, we're going to draw 2 lines coming down. So let's start on the left side. Draw 1 line, go to the right, and draw that again. Now we're going to tuck the arms in behind. Let's start from the bottom corner of the collar, bend the arm going out and then down on both sides. And I'll curve this down and then in towards the body. Let's step up and add a trim with that same curve. Now I want to finish off by adding the thumb and the 3 fingers underneath the sleeve. So let's start up here. Add a small curve, like a small half circle for the thumb. And leave a gap. Add one finger. Step down. There in the second. And then the third. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the right. And we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Grogu from Star Wars. Now, if you haven't already, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to Mason's art channel. He's a 7-year-old content creator, but he's also the future of our art community. I'll leave the link down in the description below. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.